Hey guys, it is Beaute back with another video. And if you guys want to see how I achieve these beautiful butterfly boho locks, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I am parting my hair, and what I'm using is the lock-in. This product I love. I use it in the salon. I use it almost daily on some of my clients, whether they're locks or natural hair. It just works, you guys. So I love this product, and I'm just using it to, kind of mold my hair and help keep the braids intact. I am growing out my hair, and so it's just kind of in a bob stage, and this just kind of works for me. So I put rubber bands on the end of my hair just to hold it in place. Doing square partings, kind of large, for the look that I'm going for. So I'm just showing you guys how I braid my hair down, and then I'm going to secure the ends of my hair with a rubber band. Not too tight, really just kind of loose, because I'm probably going to wear this style 2 weeks maybe. And here we go. So I'm using the Outre Springy twist hair, the twisted up hair. I have 2T, 1B, 350, and number 30. And I'm going to be mixing those two colors together. So as you can see, here's one of the braids. I'm showing you how to wrap. Take your crochet needle and stick it through the bottom of your hair. Take the end of the hair, of the extension hair, and pull it down to where you want the end to be. So I want it to be right there, like at the nape of my neck, because I'm going for a bob. And so I'm grabbing that hair that I pulled down, and I'm also grabbing my braid. So I have my braid and a piece of hair together, and then the one loose piece of hair, I'm just going to start wrapping it. And the first about 5-6 times that I wrap it kind of tight. And from here, I just wrap it loosely, you guys. I just wrap it loosely, and I'm going to wrap it down to the end of my braid, of course, and keep going past my braid to the end of the hair. I'm kind of separating a little bit as I go, kind of extending it. So wrap it all the way down. Pulling it apart just a little bit more so I can wrap it. And just keep wrapping all the way down. And when you get to the end, you want to flip the hair up like I did right there, and just wrap it all the way back up as far as you can go till you run out of hair. It's really super easy. And then I'm kind of palm rolling it. I'm palm rolling it right here. And that is how I achieve my locks. I didn't want anything too major, because like I said, I'm going to wear this style 2 weeks maybe. So here is my hair all finished, and I'm taking some of the Nairobi foam, which I love, and I'm going to spray some of that all over my hair, just to kind of set the style in place. I don't really feel like it was going anywhere, but it feels good to me to put the foam on after you get your hair braided or locked, what have you. So it feels good to put it on. So do that if you want to. And I'm just gonna, rub it in, work it through. Getting kind of messy a little bit, but y'all know what time it is. So just rub that all in. And then I'm just taking a little of the lock-in, kind of doing some edges a little bit. I kind of molded it with my comb just a little bit, but I'm just showing you guys. You can do edges if you want to. Rubbing some more foam on my hair. And it was really pliable, really soft, really lightweight. I love this style. I've done it before, a couple years back. You could check some of my older YouTube videos. But this is me wearing the style up in a ponytail. I work out a lot, so a ponytail was always convenient for me. I wore it in a bob as well. I wore it up in 2 honey buns. And I'll insert some pictures here at the end. If you guys like this style or you have some comments you want to share, you like it, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.